Welcome to the Comprehensive Chemistry course. In this condensed video, we will explore 10 fundamental chemistry topics through key questions and detailed explanations. Let's begin. We will cover atomic structure, the periodic table, matter and classification, chemical bonding, chemical reactions, acids, bases and salts, the mole concept, solutions, gases, and environmental chemistry. Each topic features an essential question with a step-by-step solution. Question 1. What are the three main subatomic particles? Atoms consist of three subatomic particles. Protons carry a positive charge and reside in the nucleus. Neutrons are electrically neutral and also found in the nucleus. Electrons carry a negative charge and orbit the nucleus in shells. Protons and neutrons each have a mass of approximately 1 atomic mass unit, while electrons are about 1836 times lighter. Question 2. How are electrons arranged in shells? Electrons fill shells in a specific order. Shell 1 holds a maximum of 2 electrons. Shell 2 holds up to 8. Shell 3 holds up to 18. Always fill lower energy shells first for sodium with 11 protons. The configuration is 2, 8, 1. Sodium has one valence electron that it readily loses to form a positive ion, achieving a stable octet. Question 3. What are groups and periods? Groups are vertical columns numbered 1 through 18. Elements in the same group share the same valence electron count and similar chemical properties. Periods are horizontal rows numbered 1 through 7. For example, lithium, sodium, and potassium in group 1 all have one valence electron, form positive 1 ions, and react vigorously with water. Question 4. What are the major periodic trends? Atomic radius decreases across a period due to stronger nuclear charge pulling electrons closer, and increases down a group due to additional shells. Ionization energy and electronegativity follow the opposite pattern. Increase across a period, decrease down a group. These trends are driven by changes in effective nuclear charge and number of electron shells. Question 5. How do elements, compounds, and mixtures differ? Elements are pure substances made of one type of atom, like iron or gold. Compounds have two or more elements chemically bonded in a fixed ratio, like water and sodium chloride. Mixtures are not chemically bonded and can be separated physically, like seawater. The key distinction: in compounds, elements gain entirely new properties, while in mixtures, each substance retains its own. Question 6. Compare ionic and covalent bonding. In ionic bonding, a metal transfers electrons to a non-metal. Sodium donates one electron to become sodium positive, and chlorine gains it to become chloride negative. Ionic compounds have high melting points and conduct electricity when dissolved. In covalent bonding, non-metals share electron pairs. In water, oxygen shares one pair with each hydrogen. Covalent compounds have lower melting points and do not conduct electricity. Question 7. Balance the combustion of methane. Step 1. Write the unbalanced equation. Step 2. Carbon is balanced with 1 on each side. Step 3. Hydrogen has 4 on the left but 2 on the right, so place a 2 before water. Step 4. Oxygen now totals 4 on the right, so place a 2 before oxygen gas. The balanced equation is CH4 plus 2O2 yields CO2 plus 2H2O. Question 8. How does the pH scale work? pH equals negative log of hydrogen ion concentration. It ranges from 0 for strong acids to 14 for strong bases, with 7 being neutral. Each unit represents a tenfold change. Stomach acid is pH 1 to 2. Lemon juice 2. Pure water 7. Bleach 13. Neutralization occurs when an acid reacts with a base to produce a salt and water, like HCl plus NaOH, yielding sodium chloride plus water. Question 9. What is a mole? 1 mole equals 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd particles, called Avogadro's number. Just as a dozen means 12. A mole means 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd. The key formulas are: moles equals mass divided by relative formula mass, and particles equals moles times Avogadro's number. 1 mole of any substance has a mass in grams equal to its relative formula mass. Question 10. What is a solution and how is concentration calculated? A solution is a homogeneous mixture. The solute dissolves in the solvent. Mass concentration equals mass divided by volume. Molarity equals moles divided by volume. For example, 5.85 grams of sodium chloride in 500 milliliters gives 0.2 moles per liter. Solutions can be unsaturated, saturated, or supersaturated. Question 11. State Boyle's and Charles's laws. Boyle's law states that at constant temperature, pressure times volume is constant. Pressure and volume are inversely proportional. This explains how syringes work and scuba diving risks. Charles's law states that at constant pressure, volume over temperature in Kelvin is constant. Volume and temperature are directly proportional. This explains hot air balloons and rising bread. Question 12. What are greenhouse gases? Acid rain. And sustainability. Greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide and methane trap heat, causing global warming, rising seas, and extreme weather. Acid rain forms when sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides create sulfuric and nitric acids, damaging forests, lakes, and buildings. Sustainability means meeting present needs without compromising future generations through reducing consumption, reusing products, and recycling waste. Congratulations! You have completed the condensed comprehensive chemistry course covering all 10 topics. Practice these questions regularly to reinforce your understanding. Chemistry explains the world around us at the molecular level. Keep exploring, questioning, and learning. Thank you for watching.